In this tutorial, we will walk through the step-by-step process of creating disk partitions in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Proper partitioning not only helps you organize your data more efficiently but also improves system management and security. Let's get started. To create partitions, right-click on Start menu, click on Disk Management. Here I have three disks, disk 0, disk 1, and disk 7. I am going to create a partitions on disk 7 and the disk is unlocated. Right-click on Unlocated Disk and click on New Simple Volume. New Simple Volume wizard is opened. Click on Next. The maximum disk space is 15229 MB and simple volume size is also the same because entire disk is unlocated here. I am going to create only one partition, taking up the entire disk. That's why I don't need to change volume size. Click on Next. Select Assign Drive Letter and F is selected by default. You can change drive letter by clicking on drop-down menu here. I'm selecting G. Click on Next. NTFS file system is selected by default. You can change it to FAT32 or REFS. I am not changing because NTFS is the best choice for formatting in file system. Allocated unit size is default here. You can also change it. I am changing it to 4096. Set the volume level. I am changing it to My Data. Click on Next and finally click on Finish. The partitions is successfully created. Open File Explorer. Click on this PC. You will find a partition here. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest text guides. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.